Hello everyone. If you want to download applications and gain from your Android Play Store, but you don't know how to do it on your Macbook, so I will explain clearly how can you download application on your Macbook by using Bluestacks, just like a Play Store. Okay, so what you need to do first is enter your Bluestacks on your Macbook first. If you haven't downloaded it for yet, you can download from Google or Chrome, whatever you can download. So you need to wait a while and then it's directly go to this page. So in this page, what we're gonna see is in the upper portion of your screen, you can see home settings, and then you can get in your right corner, you're gonna see profile icon here. So if you haven't signed in your account or if you haven't signed up your account, you can sign up account here. For me, I'm already signing my account. So okay, so what you need to do next is trying to go my application. Here, you can see stores and My Games on your left corner. So click My Games, and then you're gonna see look like this, just like a Android version Play Store icon. So in some case, you also need to log in again to your Play Store by using your Gmail and your password. Okay, that's one thing that I want to remind. And then what you need to do is if you want to search um, games or application that you want, you can search. I'm gonna search as Facebook. Okay, so if you're sure you want to download Facebook, you can find there's a lot of option will be available like Facebook, so you can also download Facebook Lite. Okay, I'm gonna show an instance with this one. If you're sure you want to install, just install from Google Play and click it. As I mentioned before, Adele, if you haven't logged into your Google Play, you will need to sign in or sign up your account here again. Okay, so if you're sure, just install. Wait for a while until it's download finished. Okay, so it's successfully downloaded from here. So if you want to launch, you can just click open and you can use your Facebook Lite successfully on your BlueStack. And if you want to check your BlueStack on your if you want to check again on your BlueStack application, you can also check like this. Go back and your Facebook Lite can be seen from your homepage under your Play Store search bar icon. So this is how to download applications again from BlueStack by using BlueStack application. So once installation finished, click open and you can start you on off. You can go check it back on your Play Store home screen here. Okay, so this is how to download. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this video gonna help you a lot when you are a Mac user instead of Android using Play Store. This video gonna help you a lot. Thank you so much, guys.